Jupiter Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Hurricane warning in effect. Watch. Southeast winds 55 to 75 knots, with gusts up to 95 knots, and sea 17 to 22 feet. Where? Sebastain Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from Saturday afternoon until Sunday afternoon. Hurricane force winds possible from Saturday evening until Sunday morning.